beautiful sell signal showed up today, guys, on the master indicator, allowing us to nail a 600 tick plunge straight down today on the NASDAQ. All right, let's get into it, guys and gals. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. And what I want to talk to you about today is really trying to get you guys dialed into volatility. What is it? Why you want to trade it? And also, once you start trading volatile markets, you'll never look back. Okay, and here's the truth. All right, what you're seeing right now is today's live price action chart of the NASDAQ. And yes, you can trade the NASDAQ on Forex, you can trade it on futures, and yes, you can trade it on stocks and options. Now, in my humble opinion, guys, the NASDAQ is probably in the top 2 or top 3 most volatile symbols on the planet right now. Okay, let's just use that as our starting point and let's use that as our baseline. Okay, because this is a game of making money, right? We are not trying to fall in love with any one particular symbol. For example, man, I can't tell you how many guys I hear from every single day who message me about the S&P 500. All right, nothing wrong with the S&P 500, but there's a certain segment of you guys and gals out there that are obsessed with the S&P, and I don't know why, right? It's not like a beautiful woman for you to fall in love with. We are trying to make money. We shouldn't care what symbols are popular. Instead, we should care what symbols actually pay us, right? And when I say pay us, which are the symbols that give us the most amount of ticks or pips every single day? You understand? Because I'm not looking to make only, 20 or 30 ticks every day, right? I'm a greedy savage and I want to make 600 ticks like we saw today from this beautiful sell signal, okay? And so that, ladies and gentlemen, is what you, as a professional trader or an aspiring professional trader, need to focus on. All right, forget about all the noise and forget about what people are talking about on TV and in the forums. Just recognize and understand that the only way you're going to make money trading and speculating in the market is you've got to find the most volatile symbols in the world. And I'm telling you, once you focus on trading volatility and volatile symbols, you'll never be able to go back to the quiet markets that you used to trade. All right, now case in point, this is today's live price action chart of the NASDAQ. You guys know I love the NASDAQ, and it's interesting, man, because this volume indicator profile, which is our proprietary volume-based technical trading tool. All right, this indicator does a phenomenal job of nailing potential turning points, right, like it did right here at 9 o'clock in the morning. All right, and how I like to use this indicator, as well as how I teach my customers and clients to trade this volume indicator band, is not to take any trades on the color change. All right, just because it changed colors today from green into red doesn't mean you randomly jump in and start shorting the market. I mean, I guess you could, but that's not how I would play it. All right, instead, what I like to wait for, guys and gals, are these perfect retracement signals. Okay, where the market comes up, 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 retraces all the way above the color band, and then kaboom, we get one of these, a nice red reversal bar that prints against the red color band, and this signal bar's got to be well above the band. I mean, this is like the perfect retracement setup, and you'd be shocked, man. You'd honestly be shocked at how often and how frequent this pattern shows up, right? Showed up here at 9:30, showed up again here, 9:58, showed up again here around 11 o'clock. I mean, the thing is just perfect, man. And look, one of the things you also have to appreciate and hopefully recognize when you embrace trading volatility is that the trends will just feel like they're running forever, right? So again, case in point, okay? Because I know a lot of you guys were watching this, all right? The NASDAQ turned short here, okay, right at 9 o'clock, and it cratered, right? It cratered like 100 points, so it created 400 ticks in basically 10 minutes, right? So now it's like you're kind of wondering, is the move over or is the move going to continue? And all I can tell you guys is, like, once you find a volatile symbol and you master a symbol like the NASDAQ, then dude, you would be shocked at how much continuation takes place on a trend move. You understand? Because I get it, man. Look, a lot of you guys were too chicken to short this today, right? You're thinking to yourself, Jesus Christ, the NASDAQ has already plunged 400 ticks. Is the move over? And all I can tell you is if you chickened out today, then shame on you, right? You might not be ready to day trade and speculate in the market because, dude, I'm telling you, trading the market and finding success and making a lot of money requires incredible discipline and a rule-based mechanical approach. You've got to be emotionless. You can't be scared, guys and gals, to jump on this short trade, even though the NAS is already down, 300, 400 ticks. Because on a volatile symbol like this one, you will almost always get some really nice continuation, right? I mean, that's the trade that I jumped on today. That's the trade that a lot of my customers and clients took today. And we were all able to bag a shocking 600 tick move by lunch. Okay, everything that you see here on this chart is from today's morning session only. All right, guys and gals, so 2 takeaways that I want you to glean from watching this video. Number 1, don't you ever discount volatile symbols. All right, instead of being afraid of volatility, what you need to do is learn how to harness and use volatility to your advantage. And takeaway number 2, guys, volume does not lie. When you see a volume indicator changing colors as it did today from green into red at this exact moment in time, then guess what? You have your directional bias for the day, right? You're either playing this short today or you're flat today. You are definitely not playing it long. You understand? So big congrats to all you guys and gals that did successfully catch this move on this volume master indicator. For those of you that are brand new to trading volume or volatility, feel free to get in touch if you'd like to learn more. I'd love to hit you up with some incredible knowledge that will hopefully change your perspective in trading the market, maybe forever. And I absolutely cannot wait to see what this market's going to give us tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.